So hello, namaste, welcome to Motovlog Brownie. So today we are here with Adventure 390, affordable, Triumph Tiger, I can say. So which is the most awaited bike in the biking segment. So okay, here we meet again Mr. Charles. So in the new segment, so we have done a video on Husqvarna. We got a very good response on that too. So do watch that video. You can see the iCard which is coming above for that. Let's ask Charles that what is this bike all about?
See, actually 390 Adventure is a touring bike. We have a lot of electronic features which is not in any of the competitor bikes in KTM Adventure 390, like traction control, quick shifter. We have three kinds of ABS, which is on-road ABS, off-road ABS, which are switchable at any kind of terrains. And we have cornering ABS, which is a standard one at the time of corners.
So what about the engine?
The engine is a single cylinder liquid cooled DOHC, which is a dual overhead camshaft engine, which produces 43.5 bhp with a 37 Nm torque.
I think the power is good. Let's talk about the price of this bike.
Pricing of 390 Adventure in Mysore is 3,91,000 on road.
Okay, so now we got to know about the price of this bike, and this is a good price where you are going to get an adventure bike. So when you see about the adventures, the number one bike that we see is a Triumph Tiger. Now in the budget, this is one of the best. I think the tires, what about the tires for the off-roading?
The MRF tires, which gives a very good road grips both on tarmac as well as off-road. We have a 19 as well as a 17-inch tires, MRF Meteor tires. The pricing of the tires would cost you around 5,000 to 7,000 rupees, both front and back.
So when you say it is an adventure bike, how good is it in the off-roading?
The vehicle is capable of going on any kind of terrains. It's good for both off-road as well as on-road, long touring, and we have a lot of accessories places what we keep, like saddlebags, backpacks, crash pads, sliders, a lot of additional accessories what we also provide.
So this is the complete stock bike, right? So whatever we are seeing right now, this is all what we are going to get while we buy it. So including this, whatever the crash guard, sari guard, everything. So what about the tank capacity of this vehicle?
14.5 liters is the total tank capacity of Adventure 390. 25 to 30 kilometers is the actual mileage what gives per liter in the city as per the customer's feedback. And long touring, it goes up to 32 or 33 also.
So that's a good mileage for this kind of bike. So let's talk about the suspension.
See, suspensions, we have WP Apex USD, that's the upside down suspensions, which is a 43 mm suspension and which cannot be adjustable. The rear shock absorber is a multi-step shocks, which is also a WP, which is a wide pipe shock absorber. The vehicle is designed with the 450 Dakar Rally bike, which is one of the most toughest rally in the world.
So let's get into the main part, which is the maintenance.
So the free services for 390 Adventure, we give 3 free services, and the three free services gets over in the 240 days from the date of purchase. That's 1 year. And for paid services, the intervals are 8,000 kilometers or once in a year. We charge 1,500 to 2,000 rupees for the free service, and maybe an amount of rupees 800 would be extra for the paid service. And the other parts like mirrors, indicators, clutch levers are all affordable. The pricing of all these things would be costing around below 500 or below 1,000.
What about the price of the parts, which is the wear and tear of the bike?
Okay, the pricing of chain sprockets are like 3,000 below. Life of chain sprocket what KTM gives is 8,000 to 12,000 kilometers. It depends on the customers as well. And some of the other parts like brake pads has a life of 8,000 kilometers. 2,000 below, I can say.
Both the brake pads.
So this is the instrumental cluster. The electronic features what KTM gives in TFT is, one is the KTM My Ride app, which is available in the Play Store, where you can download it and pair through the Bluetooth device, like the normal thing like trip 1 data, trip 2 data, covering your mileages. And this is the main feature what KTM gives. This is the traction control, where you can off it, on it. It depends on your type of roads or type of rides. This is the ABS, where you can shift to on-road ABS as well as off-road ABS, and quick shifter depends on your roads as well as your speed. It can be shifted above 4,000 RPM. It's a bi-directional quick shifter which can be shifted up as well as down. And the service intervals or the service reminders given by the vehicle as well as the dealer. And we also have a GPS mount over here. This is a charging mount. This will be more helpful for you at the time of touring, not to stop anywhere for charging or anything like that. So please visit our showroom, which is located in Chamarajpuram, Mysore. This is KTM Central Mysore. We are open from 9:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. So please visit our showroom for the test drives, as well as we'll have a bestest deal ever.
Let's have a test ride. So this is another color which is quite different. So this is the white one. So let's get on a test ride and see how this bike performs in the city. Let's go on a ride with this Adventure. Okay, I think I'm I am 5'11" and I can easily place my legs flat down there. Okay, so here we see the instrument cluster. So it's crystal clear at this moment. Let's start the bike. The bike got started. Okay, let's go. Guys, great. The turning radius is very amazing, guys. Yeah, the power is like, you know, the hell. The KTM is known for its power. The best bike, I think it feels comfortable in here as well in the city. No problem at all. I thought that adventure you know, will be little bit difficult in the cities. I think this bike, no problem at all. Please check out my other videos in the iCard which is coming above, which is on the reviews on different bikes that we have done. Oh, bike is really good, and you can feel that power inside the engine. That's there in the KTM. If you want to know anything about which I have missed in the video, you can comment it out. I can just get it clarified with the manager Charles, and I'll give the proper input to you. These bikes are prone to speeding, but you should not do it in the cities. Don't do speeding in the cities. We'll do the test ride in the empty roads by, you know, a little bit giving a throttle. Be a responsible rider. It's pretty awesome, guys. The one who is looking for an adventure tourer in the affordable price, this is the bike for you. The sound is pretty normal. It's as usual, nothing fancy about it. It's a proper KTM sound itself. The bumps and everything, the shocks are too good, guys. I think it can do up to 170 very easily. So here we came back again, back to the showroom to give this beauty to them. Okay, again very thankful for the KTM Central Mysore for this ride. We'll see you in a new variant very soon. So check out my channel and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you, and we will meet you soon.